Hi, I'm Ken. Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. ECT stands for Etc Etc. Hello, I'm Ken. Easy 2 Tips and Tricks. ECT Etc Etc. Hi, I'm Ken. Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, etc. etc. My channel has a list of just many things. Some of my first videos I was reaching out to YouTube and the decision makers who we know are actually Google to turn this 1K minimum requirement and the 4,000K watch hours to reduce that. And I talked quite a bit about that in my beginning videos. I have videos on food challenges. I have some painting videos in the very beginning, creative painting. You don't have to be an artist, and you can create some really cool designs. I have tile videos, how to tile, all aspects of tiling a shower, and where I'm speaking on different subjects, interviews with different people. So my channel has got a real mixture of many different videos and may be of interest. I make it a point to the best I can to explain all the details of what I'm doing so that the person that doesn't know can walk away and have a good understanding of how to do it themselves. And learning from our mistakes. That's important. So, all right. And presently, a friend of mine is helping me, and we are working on redoing my motor. I hit my 1K. The day I hit my 1K, my motor goes out. Not funny, so I haven't been able to do my shout out yet. But that's in the near future. I want to do justice to everyone's channel. And I'll be doing 2 videos on my 1K shout out. People that have been here from the beginning, as well as people that have been here along the way. And I've had a lot of great supporters, and I appreciate every single person that's in my community, and those that have commented and continue to comment. That really means a lot, and I appreciate that very much. And so, surf through my videos. I think there'll be something for everybody, and I'm here to support you. And that was my whole purpose for coming to YouTube. And if you watch my beginning videos, I talk about that quite a bit. So I look forward to hearing from you. Remember, subscribe. I have about 40% subscriber rate to the 60% of my viewer rate, which is great. Thank you for viewing, and thank you for watching. But I really like to get to know everybody in my community. That means a lot to me personally. And those of you that know me, you know that already. And then I leave a comment. I don't just leave a comment, I leave a comment. Because I'm speaking from my heart, And so, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I want to give a quick, brief shout out to a few people. One being David Knight, although you won't be able to find him in the search. There's somebody else has taken his name or that name, and you can't find him. I want to give a shout out to Richard Vernado. He's been here from the beginning. I want to give a shout out to, just went brain dead, Sane Otto. Sane Otto. He's been here in part of my channel from the beginning. He's taken off and really moving forward with his channel and his car shows. He's had top-notch car shows from the beginning. And he should have had his 1K long before he did, but now he's up and running. Good job, Sane Otto, Victor. Richard Vernado, creative guy. He has some great classic old commercials. He has a show that he does that's a sequence, and he's really creative. And that's Richard Vernado. And who else? Mike Walker Outdoors. Mike at Walker Outdoors. Then everybody knows, or just about everybody knows, Verdict Squad, Lunatic Dad, Green Bay Wacky. So most people know them. If you don't know them, check them out. And you can Google maybe Google them. You can search here on YouTube and find them. And, who else off the top of my head from the beginning I'm talking about? Well, I'm sorry, but this is not really a shout out, although I'm just kind of throwing a few out there off the top of my head. So keep up the good work. And remember, easy to tips and tricks, etc., etc. I also have a video where I've taken a 1x3 and I've cut out a fork out of an oak 1x3. And made this really cool fork. It's turned out to become a sport the way it turned out. And Mike Walker Outdoors has a video on it. If you go down through his videos, he does a mail call. So, all right. So, check out Richard Vernado. Tell him I sent you. And he has a bookstore. Or he has books. He used to have a bookstore. He now has these books he's selling online, I believe. And I'll have to get David Knight's link and put it in the description, since he can't be found on the search. All right. Well, God bless. Bye for now. I'm going to shut up because I'm just rambling on. And before I forget, and remember, Tuesday nights, 6 p.m. Pacific time, or California time, to 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. I'm taking a Constitution class, and I go live. So Tuesday nights, 6 to 7, California time, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., Constitution class, where we're going through the Constitution and talking about it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I can get your question answered right there on the spot. So, good stuff. And this federal ID, or they call it the real ID, that's a violation of our Constitution. And everybody needs to know this. The federal government, the Constitution says the federal government cannot force the local government to do anything. And this Real ID Act is a violation, a direct violation of the Constitution. So, I look forward to seeing you there. Hope you can make it and hearing from you. That means a lot. Like, subscribe, and share if you think my videos are good enough. I appreciate it. So take care. God bless. Bye for now. We're keeping it real. And never give up, because there's always a way to overcome whatever it is you're dealing with or figuring out how to do it. Bye for now. Bye.